I decided to make my own Hollywood-style movie using nothing but AI. In this video, I'll show you the entire process step by step. But before we get into that, take a look at this.
"10 years, Orc. 10 years I've carried my brother's blood on your name. Stand up. You owe me a death."
God's help him! That's the siege breaker of Ashenfield.
The human boy doesn't know what he's asking for.
Nothing to say? Good. I didn't come to talk.
Fight me! Swing that axe, coward! Or do you only kill unarmed men? He'll break himself apart at this rate. He was 17! Did he beg? Did my brother beg before you put the axe through him? 17!
That boy doesn't want to win, he wants to die fighting.
Do it! Finish it, you animal! Give me that much.
It's over. Gods, it's over. I didn't kill your brother, but this fight, consider it my debt to you.
You're lying.
Was that mercy?
That was something older than mercy.
Pretty crazy, right? Now, I'm going to create a brand new project from scratch and make another AI-generated drama so you can see exactly how this tool works. I'll walk you through every step and share some tips along the way, so make sure you stick around until the end. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment below. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want to see more content like this. First, open Google Chrome and search for Topview AI. Open the website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one and log in. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Drama Studio. Here, you can either paste an existing script or generate one using AI. If you don't have a script, simply enter your story idea, and the AI agent will create a complete script for you. You can also upload a PDF version of your script if it's already prepared. Next, choose whether you want to create a single episode or a series. Select Professional Writer for the best script quality, then click Generate. After the script is generated, choose your preferred art style. You can select Live Action, Animation, Custom Style. With the Custom Style option, you can create unique characters and visual styles using prompts. In this example, I selected Live Action and chose the Modern Micro style. Scroll down to the Basic Settings section. Choose Single Episode or Multi-Episode, depending on your project. Next, select the Video Aspect Ratio, 9:16 for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok videos, 16:9 for YouTube videos. Enter the desired episode duration. For this example, I set both the first and last episodes to 40 seconds. Choose your preferred language and select the content suggestions. I recommend choosing all ages to make the content suitable for a wider audience. On the left side, scroll down and enable Auto Review and Optimize. Once all settings are configured, click Confirm and then start creating. The AI will begin generating your video based on the selected settings. Now I'll show you the script I generated. My project is based on a samurai story. Once you've selected the type of content you want to create, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your episodes will be generated automatically. You can review all of your episodes here. If you're not satisfied with the script, click Reapply, and the AI agent will generate an improved version for you. On the right side, you'll find the logline generated by the AI. If you don't like it, you can delete it and write your own custom logline. As you can see, my series contains 10 episodes with a total duration of 6 minutes and 40 seconds. You can edit any part of the script at any time. Simply select the episode you want to modify, then switch between the episode, outline, and script tabs at the top. Next, move to the left panel and click Generate Characters, Props, Environments, and other assets. After a few seconds, the generation process will be completed. Once everything is ready, click on Characters at the top of the left panel. Here, you can select your existing characters. Since I don't have any custom characters yet, I'll click Generate All Character Images and wait for the AI to create them. Wow, the image quality is incredible. Let me zoom in so you can take a closer look. Check out this character. The details are amazing. The dark aura and overall design look fantastic. You can also edit the character descriptions and settings whenever needed. Scroll down to view all the generated characters. The overall quality is excellent, and the AI has done a great job creating detailed and professional-looking character designs. Now, click on Environments at the top of the screen. Then select Generate All Environments and wait a few seconds while the AI creates them. Take a look at these environments. They look incredible. The level of detail is impressive, and each scene matches the story perfectly. If you're not satisfied with a particular environment, simply click Regenerate to create a new version. You can also edit the prompt to customize the environment according to your preferences. Next, click on Props. If you want to generate a specific prop, select it and click Generate. If you'd like to generate all props at once, click Generate All Props at the top. Within a few moments, all of your prop images will be ready. The quality of these props is excellent and blends perfectly with the overall visual style of the project. Now, return to the outline and script section. Scroll down, select the first episode, and click Enter Video Production. Wait a few seconds for the project to load. Review your script carefully. If you'd like to make any changes, you can edit the script before generating the video. You'll see the duration for the first scene, and the duration for every scene is displayed below it. Next, choose your preferred video resolution. I recommend selecting 1080p for high-quality results. Before generating the video, review the prompt one final time to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Generate Video and wait a few moments.
Stop! One more step, and I add your head to the count. His shadow! It's moving on its own! Cowards! Hold your line!
Great! Your first scene is now ready. The result looks fantastic, and the quality is impressive. Next, select the second scene and generate it using the same process. Let me play it for you.
You die here, Wanderer! Step aside. Did anyone see him draw?
As you can see, the video quality is outstanding. Now generate the third scene by clicking Generate Video again.
Your shadow, the dead man's shadow, is standing. Don't look at it. Already found me.
The output looks smooth, detailed, and professionally produced. If you'd like to download a generated scene, click the Download button at the top and save it to your device. You can download Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and all other scenes in the same way. To create videos for the next episode, click back, select Episode 2, and then click Enter Video Production. Review the scene durations, choose your preferred resolution, and click Generate Video. Repeat the same workflow for all remaining episodes until your entire series has been generated and downloaded successfully.
Stop! One more step, and I add your head to the count. His shadow! It's moving on its own! Cowards! Hold your line! You die here, Wanderer! Step aside. Did anyone see him draw? Your shadow, the dead man's shadow, is standing. Don't look at it. Already found me.